A lot of my PEZ has been coming from Gig Harbor lately. Have you ever been? Me either, but my PEZ has. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy, here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Alright. 2 PEZ today. Alright, let's see what we have. This is Sylvester. He's missing his nose and his whiskers. Both pieces missing, just a head. He looks pretty funny. Still has all 3 of the pieces of hair up top. It's important. You gotta count those. Alright, let's see what we have here. We have another Sylvester dispenser. He has no eyes. And this one has eyes, but no eyes, and complete opposites. Because they're different dispensers. Very cool. Thank you, Gig Harbor! And thank you for checking out these 2 errors. And be sure to check out ThePIGToo at www.thepigevents.com. We will be doing a forum on errors such as this and many, many more. So until next time...